Most people want wealth, but very few actually create it.
Why? Because they don't have a blueprint.
They drift through life hoping money will somehow work itself out, but hope is not a strategy. Wealth is built by design, not by accident. And the foundation of that design is setting unstoppable financial goals. Financial goals aren't just numbers on paper. They're the roadmap that separates wishful thinking from real achievement. Think of it this way. If you got into your car with no destination, you'd waste time, fuel, and energy driving aimlessly. The same is true for your money. Without clear financial goals, your spending is random, your saving is inconsistent, and your wealth building becomes impossible. But here's the key: not all goals are created equal. The difference between people who actually achieve financial freedom and those who don't comes down to how they set their goals. Unstoppable financial goals are specific, measurable, actionable, and deeply connected to your why. Wanting to be rich isn't a goal. Wanting to invest $500 a month for the next 5 years to build a $30,000 foundation for your future is. That's a goal. When you set powerful financial goals, you unlock clarity. Suddenly, every decision, whether to spend, save, or invest, becomes easier because you know exactly where you're headed. That clarity builds momentum, and momentum creates results. This is how ordinary people turn into wealth builders. At Wealth Not Riches, we believe wealth is not about chasing flashy lifestyles. It's about creating a future where you have freedom, security, and choices. The blueprint starts with your goals. When your goals are unstoppable, so is your financial growth. So ask yourself, are your financial goals guiding you toward wealth or keeping you stuck in survival mode? Because once you create the right blueprint, there's no limit to what you can achieve. This is your moment to stop drifting and start designing. Don't just dream about financial freedom, build it. And it all starts with setting unstoppable financial goals.